Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up a baked potato salad. It's a little bit different. We're having a barbecue. So I'm like, why not jump on real quick and just do this one with y'all? It's quick, it's simple. Here in my bowl I have 8 medium russet potatoes. I boiled them just till they're tender. I cut them up in little cubes and boiled them up just till they're tender. 15-20 minutes should do it. And to that, well, let me show you what I have here first, huh? In my bowl here, I have 1 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And these potatoes are just about cooled. They're barely warm. So we're going to go ahead. And I did salt my water for the potatoes. So that way there's some salt in those potatoes. Now salt here, I did put some in here, but that's going to be to your taste. So if you want, salt it, you know, after everything's put together, because we do have some yummy bacon going in here. And like I said, the potatoes are cooked in salted water. Okay. Now, let me get this off my hands. I have 1/2 cup of finely diced onions, and that's a packed cup. Drizzle that right over top of that. And that's a good packed cup of onions. And in the, which I left out, I apologize. But here lately, everything that I make, I've been putting in the description box, what I have in here. But I did leave out, I put 2 teaspoons of dried chives in with that mayonnaise and sour cream. I used 2 teaspoons of dried chives. You know, this is not your traditional potato salad, but I do have a couple of videos of the traditional one, if you guys want to check that out. And I have 1 cup of some grated cheddar cheese, mild. Now you can use the package which is already grated up for you. That's totally up to you because we're not melting. So if that's what you have, go ahead and use what you got, right? But I'm going to go in with a cup of shredded, mild or medium will work, cheddar. And we'll save some for our topping, a good 1/2 cup, because I have 1.5 cups altogether there. And this is going to be quick. It's going to be quick, guys. And we'll just gently stir this in. We don't want to break up our potatoes. And I'll just get this stirred in. Okay. Now I have 1 package of bacon, which was 12 ounces. And I cooked it till it was really crisp. And chopped it all up well. And I'm going to put 1/2 of this, fold it right into the potato salad, and we'll save some to put on top with that cheese. Get it nice and crisp. So I'm just going to gently just fold this in. Okay, we got that all mixed up with our bacon. And I put a little bit of black pepper on there. And now I'm going to go on top, just like a baked potato, and put some cheese and bacon. And I have probably 1 green onion there chopped up. We'll just, I have a half a cup here, but you put much as you want on here. But just as you serve it, make sure, you know, people get some of that cheese that's right on top. Okay. There we have that. And we're going to do our bacon. Get all that bacon around there. And green onion. See there, I have that chopped up real small. And you could put much as you want on here. Okay, guys, there's the finished potato salad. Now, like I said, it's not your traditional. I got my son over here. I just had to stop, Curtis. But anyway, you got the 4th of July coming up. This would be good for your 4th of July. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and taste this with you guys. I'm going to get this in the fridge and get it chilled. That's delicious. Now, if you make sure you check it really well, because your potatoes may be a little bit larger than the ones that I use, which I use medium. So make sure you have enough sour cream and mayonnaise in there. But that's perfect. That's delicious. But anyways, make you guys up some. Enjoy it. And stay blessed. And please like and subscribe and share. And I thank you all my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. But anyways, we will see you guys later and enjoy the potato salad. Bye-bye.